Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can log out of your Line app. So, logging out of your Line app is tricky because the app doesn't allow you to log out of the account. So if you open Line app and go to its settings, you will not find the logout option anywhere. You will find the unlink your Google account, but all this does is unlink your account. So you cannot completely log out of your account with this app, but there is a trick how you can do so. First of all, just go ahead and locate Line, tap on it and go to its settings. After you go to its settings, you can just go ahead and go to its storage and you can see the clear data option. So go ahead and click on it and click delete. So as you saw before, I had logged into my account, but now I'm going to show you by opening Line. So as soon as I open Line, you can now see that my account has been logged out or signed out. Now I need to log into my account once again to get access. I hope this video about how you can log out of your Line app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.